Hi everyone, this is Annie 老师 and welcome to my channel Mandarin Time with Annie 老师. The title for the story is 有趣的数字. Let's find out what happens to the story. 让我们来一起玩一玩数字游戏吧. How about let's play a game about numbers? 一只快乐的河马在河子上玩平衡游戏. Can you help me count? How many hippo did you see here? Let's count again. We have E. Let's say it one more time. E. That is number 1. E. Good job. 两条笑眯眯的香肠在打电话. Let's count how many sausages do we have. We go 一, 二. How many sausages are here? 二. And how do you say number 2 in Mandarin again? 二. Let's say it one more time. 二. Good job. 三只胖胖的瓢虫在吃着叶子. Let's count how many ladybugs do we have here. We go 一, 二, 三. How many ladybugs? We have 三. Let's say it one more time. 三. And that's how we say number 3. 四辆大大的卡车在赛车. How many trucks do you have here? Let's count. 一, 二, 三, 四. How many trucks again? 四. How do you say number 4? 四. And let's say it one more time. 四. That is number 4. 四. Good job. 五个小宝宝哭的脸都红了. Let's count how many babies do we have here. We go 一, 二, 三, 四, 五. Let's say it one more time. 五. How many babies do we have here? 五. And that's how you say number 5 in Mandarin. Let's say it one more time. 五. Good job. 六只饥饿的恐龙在吃着苹果. Let's count how many dinosaurs do we have. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六. How many dinosaurs we have? 六. How do you say number 6 again? 六. And let's practice it one more time. 六. And that's how you say the number 6. 六. 七种美味的雪糕在太阳底下融化了. How many ice creams do we have? Let's count all together. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七. How many again? 七. How do we say the number 7? 七. Good job. 八朵美丽的花都着凉感冒了. Let's count. How many flowers do we have here? We go 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七, 八. How many are there? 八. Let's say it one more time. 八. And how do we say the number 8? 八. Good job. 9只隆隆的火箭准备要升空. Let's count how many rocket ships do we have here? We go 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七, 八, 九. How do you say the number 9? 九. Let's say it one more time. 九. And that's how you say number 9 in Mandarin. 10是最后一个数字，但你可以把所有的数字再来数一遍. Can you see what number is on his shirt? That is the number 10. And you say 10. How about you help me count from 1 to 10 again? Let's do it one more time. We go 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七, 八, 九, 10. How do we say the number 10? 10. Let's say it one more time. We go 10. Good job. 捐出数字2和数字3. Can you help me find where is the number 2 and where is the number 3? Good try. This is 2 and this is 3. 有多少只瓢虫在吃着叶子? Can you help me count? How many ladybugs do we have here? Let's count all together. We go 一, 二, 三, 四. How many ladybugs are here? 四. Good try. How do we say the number 4 again? 四. Good job. 有多少只恐龙在吃着苹果? How many dinosaurs are eating the apples? Shall we count all together? We go 一, 二, 三, 四, 五. How many dinosaurs do we have? 五. Let's say it one more time. 5 and the answer is 5. Good try. 你看见多少支火箭? How many rocket ships can you see? Let's count all together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? Good job. That is 6. And that is the number 6. How do we say number 6 again? 6. 捐出数字7和数字9. Can you help me find which number is 7 and which number is 9? I think you can do this by yourself, right? Let's try. And before I end this video, can we practice counting from 1 to 10 in Mandarin again? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! You can keep on practicing how to count 1 to 10 in Mandarin, okay? And that's it! Thank you again for watching this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit a thumbs up for us. And if you want to share your thoughts, just leave it on our comment section. You can also click subscribe for more upcoming videos. This has been Annie Lao Shi, and I'll see you again next time. Bye everyone! 再见大家!